Hi, this is Lana Tolbert with Lianro Metal Roofs coming to you today with a special announcement. Spring has sprung, and with that comes all kinds of different challenges around your home. We live in a heavy treed area. Can anybody say pine needles? And so we have hours and hours and hours of pine needle raking to do. We've also had a pretty heavy snow year, so there's lots of broken branches that need to be cleaned up. And then just the general cleaning period, like getting your gutters cleaned up, maybe getting your garage cleaned out, maybe hauling off junk that's accumulated over the winter time. Well, because of all of this, and because we see that there's a need, we've opened a brand new division of Lianro Metal Roofs, and we'll be offering property maintenance concierge services. You can order services a la carte, or you can do a monthly membership, and we can take care of all of these struggles for you while you go and enjoy your spring and your summer. So I hope that you will call us today and let us help you enjoy your spring. Thanks for joining us.